clickety sound of the southbound freight and the high-speed hum of the passenger train becomes a part of the soul and the heart and the mind of the boy that's raised by the railroad line. The sound of the whistle at the crossing the road, and the tanks and the trucks and the tractors on the flat car load becomes a part of the soul and the heart and the mind of the boy that's raised by the railroad line. And the big round penny that you lay on the rail and the wheels smash flat, and a glimpse of the faces of the ladies and the men and the engineer's hat, and the brakeman waves from the red caboose. He's a part of the past that never quite turns loose, a part of the soul and the heart and the mind of the boy that's raised by the railroad line. And the big round penny that you lay on the rail and the wheels smash flat, and a glimpse of the faces of the ladies and the men and the engineer's hat, and the brakeman waves from the red caboose. He's a part of the past that never quite turns loose. He's a part of the soul